Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know down in the comments. I want to know. Okay, so I'm Jessica, if you don't know, and I do appreciate you stopping by to hang out with me for just a little bit during another one of my videos. Now, I am unboxing my Boxy Premium for June 2021. And I do get two of these, and in getting two, it gives me the ability to make different choices for each of my two boxes. And that way, I also get two different variations. Now, it's not completely uncommon for me to get a duplicate here and there. Usually, that's fine. I do a lot of giveaways, so I put those products right back into my giveaways. And I really do like being able to give you guys a couple of different variation unboxings in one place. So, you can zip over to my channel and usually watch two completely different Boxy Premium unboxings, or Boxy Luxe, or Base Box, whatever. Because, yeah, I get two of everything. And sadly, I pay for all my boxes. So, I don't get these in PR. I know some people do. And I know that sometimes when we see the Boxycharm spoilers, there's stuff in the spoilers that either with choice or our boxes, some of us never even see some of the products. And I know it does get a little bit frustrating. Some people feel that the PR boxes are really, really good. And, the people that get PR get the choice boxes. But I will say, in all honesty, I usually get pretty good boxes. Either way, I do love this subscription. So it's always such a great value. So let's dive into this unboxing. And at the end, I will tell you the total value. And in addition to that, I also calculate out the total savings for this specific variation. So how big of a discount we get compared to paying full retail. So let's dive into this baby. And when you open her up, it is the blue premium box, which is usually standard. And then, of course, we've got the card for this month. And the theme is Dare to Dazzle. So that's really cute. And on the back of the card is a list of all my items, along with the prices and a brief description. Okay, the first thing I'm going to pull out is my palette I chose. And I was lucky enough to be able to choose this before they sold out. Some people didn't even get it as a choice. I don't know what happened. But it's the Dominique Cosmetics Transition palette. It retails for $48. So it's not a cheap palette, but nor is it like super expensive either. I've really enjoyed getting Dominique Cosmetics palettes. They are really, really good quality, and they blend really good. They're pigmented. I absolutely love them. So here is the actual cover of the palette. And then it's got a really good size mirror. And then look at those colors. Now y'all know me, I love neutrals. And I did play with this palette, and there will be a get ready with me testing out this palette, doing this actual eye look with all mattes, because this palette is all mattes, no shimmers, and I'll let you know my thoughts. Okay, and next up is something from Floss. Okay, this is from Floss Beauty, and it's the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. It retails for $22, and it's in the color Sandals. So, okay. That's actually really, really pretty. The next thing I got is an eye cream from May Pelham. I love getting eye creams. Yeah, it's May Pelham eye cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. Is that how you say it? This retails for $39. This contains, it's quinoa, right? Not quinoa. I said quinoa before. It's quinoa, right? Okay. So it contains quinoa extract, colloidal oats, and vitamin C, all of which work to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Okay. The next thing I got is from Lorac. And it is a lip liner, Alter Ego lip liner. Ew. Okay, that's the color. Yeah, I probably won't use this. This lip liner retails for $17. And it instantly transforms your look with these lip liners. They are highly pigmented, smudge proof, and perfect for lining or filling in your lips. It's a retractable gel liner with a built-in sharpener. So that's always good. Okay, I got another thing from Lorac. And this is the unzipped palette. I did see this, and I was actually really excited to get it. It looked so pretty. Okay, this is the unzipped Brazen eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $25. That's actually a really good price. So it does come with a nice little mirror, and then there's a brush in there, and then those colors. So 3 mattes, and it looks like 2 shimmers. So yeah, that's really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to put it in for one of my upcoming giveaways. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. Because I do have my 5K coming up eventually. Okay, last but not least is from Wander Beauty. And it is the Do Not Despair Overnight Concentrate Treatment, I think. Do Not Disturb. I think I said despair, didn't I? Okay, so Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. And it retails for $68. So, a little bit pricey. This is formulated with 1% retinoid to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and helped diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. It's got squalane and peptides to help hydrate skin and improve elasticity. And there's also dragon's blood to help soothe skin from environmental stressors. Okay. That's cool. Okay, so that was everything I got in this month's June 2021 Boxy Premium number 1 that I got. And the total value of this box is $219. Now, the box itself is $35 a month. And the total savings this month is 84%. So in paying $35 for this box of all these products, you're literally saving 84% off of retail by getting it in this box. Not bad. Not bad at all. Definitely one of my favorite boxes. What about you? Did you get premium? Did we get similar stuff? Did you get the Dominique Cosmetics palette? What about the Lorac palette? Let me know. Put it down in the comments. Okay, that is it. Thank you for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. And don't forget, please smash the subscribe button before you go. It does help my channel out a lot, and it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this. So, thank you again. Love you guys bunches. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wow.